Skilled trades are very hard to come by, the actual skilled applicants. We're looking for welders, pneumatic techs, hydraulic techs. I think most skilled jobs we're looking for. Hi, my name is Michelle Moss. I'm the Human Resources Manager at Plasser American. We really want somebody who's motivated. You really have to want to work with your hands and work in this environment where you're going to get dirty and you're going to learn new skills and different things every day. So you just have to have that ability to want to learn and continue to grow with your job. I think Plasser, we're really trying to be more inclusive. It's taken a while, but we finally have our first female welder. It's great. I think we need to add more females. We want everybody to feel comfortable working at Plasser. There is definitely a shortage for skilled trades. Our employees, they weren't leaving, they weren't retiring, but now we are facing retirement from a lot of employees in the next 5 to 10 years, and we will need to replace them. It's difficult finding applicants, but at Plasser we have stability. We've never had one layoff here. We're looking to expand, we're more stable, and we give back to our employees. Plasser's been here for over 50 years. We have a great tuition reimbursement program. Our president, Thomas Bleckinger, he really believes in education of all levels of employees. We have employees in the shop who are going to school for engineering. So you don't have to stop. If you want to move on to something else, they're all for it. And then we have free medical and dental benefits for employees. We have vision, retirement plans. We have 401k plans. They really try to give as many options as they can back to the employees. Trade programs, I think it's a little different than your normal four-year college. They provide more hands-on. They, get into that job first without taking classes that you're never going to need. A lot of the companies in this area are looking to hire skilled trades, and these schools can provide hands-on experience, help them get a job. We'll be expanding our workforce, and so we really need the applicants to fill these positions.